So hi, from inside of Lydia, and especially to Lars. No, Jesper. Jesper? That guy. You have asked me about this thing. So, this is how the vent works. This is how the heater works. And this is how the wires are. Actually, I don't really know what you are trying to look if I show you these, but that's the connection on my side. And this cable that I have here is, I think it's a local area network LAN cable from Computer World. It was cheap and it was, well, it had all those wires and all those colors that I needed. So I just installed it and put the wires in the exact order from here to here as it is in the heater side. And that's it. I don't know if you need to see anything else, but this is it. And sorry for taking so long to film this. It's raining like mad outside. And it has been for a few days. So this is just for you, Jesper.